Assalamualaikum my dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Here I am Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of Class 1, today I am going to take your English language class, and our today's topic is Lesson 23. And Lesson 23 is about conjunction and. So today we will know about the conjunction and the use of this conjunction. So let's start our class. Now look at the board, my dear students. At first we will look at the picture. Now look, there is a picture of a mango and an apple. So we can write it like this: mango and apple. And now look, the next picture, there is a cat and a dog. So we can also write like this: cat and dog, or like this: a cat and a dog. So now look, here we join phrases, a cat and a dog, and here we join word, mango and apple, cat and dog. And now the next picture, now look, there is an elephant and its baby, that means the baby elephant, which is called calf. So we can also write like this: an elephant. And we all know that we use "and" before the vowel sound. So here will be an elephant, and now we can join the words a calf. So now look, we join the phrases here: an elephant and a calf, and we use "and" to join these words or phrases. Now look, now the next picture, Shajib and Rajiv. So there are two boys, we can also join Shajib and Rajiv. Now look, Shajib and Rajiv. So now look, my dear students, we can make sentence like this: I ate a mango and an apple, or I have a cat and a dog, or there is an elephant, there are an elephant and a calf, or Shajib and Rajiv are two brothers. So my dear students, "and" is a joining word, and we can also join the sentences using "and." Now look at these sentences: John has a balloon, John has a kite. Now look, the two sentences have the similar idea, and John is here common person. John has a balloon, John has a kite. So we can join the sentences like this: John has a balloon and a kite. So we can use "and" to join sentences which have similar idea. And now look, there is another example: Tina has a cat, Tina has a dog. So we can join the sentences like this: Tina has a cat and a dog. So what can we say from these examples? "And" is a joining word, and we use "and" to join two words. Now look, two words or groups of words. Now look, there is a groups of words or sentences. Now look, we use "and" to join these two sentences. So "and" is used to join words or group of words or sentences. Now we will do exercise number 1, and the instruction is: complete the sentences using the words in the brackets and the word "and." Now look, the first exercise number 1, this bird can dash, and there is two words: fly, hop. So we will join fly and hop using "and." And how will you join it? The bird can fly and hop. So we can connect the similar ideas using the word and. So there will be the answer. I mean this bird can fly and hop. So this is our answer. We join two words by and, I mean using and. Now the next one, number 2, the car has dash stripes, orange, red. So there are two colors, orange, red. Now we will join it. Yes, could you join it? Yes, the car has orange and red stripes. So we will write it orange and red. Now number 3, the clown wears dash. Now look, there's phrases. There are phrases, two phrases, baggy pants, a long cap. So how will you join it? The clown wears, at first we will write the first phrase, then we will write and now will be the last one, that means a long cap. So the clown wears baggy pants. Now we will write our joining word and now the next phrase, a long cap. Now number 4, the pup is dash, cold, hungry. Now look, there are two words. Now we will join these two words with and what will be our answer? Yes, you are correct. The pup is cold and hungry. Now number 5, I play with my dash, and there's two words, one is bat and another one is ball, and we will join them like the previous one, like cold and hungry. So there will be bat and ball. So I play with my bat and ball. Now number 6 and the last one, I like to dash, and there are two phrases, read stories and play with my friends. Now we will join these two phrases with and. I like to read stories and play with my friends. So now look, my dear students, number 1 will be this bird can fly and hop, and number 2, the car has orange and red stripes. Number 3, the clown wears baggy pants and a long cap. Number 4, the pup is cold and hungry. Number 5, I play with my bat and ball. Number 6, I like to read stories and play with my friends. So what do you understand from today's topic? That we can use and to join two words or two phrases or two sentences. That means we use a word to join words, a group of words or sentences, but there should be similar ideas. And now, my dear students, look, there is a homework number 10, and this exercise will be your homework. That means you will do exercise number 1 from lesson 23. So my dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. And my dear students, before doing your homework, at first you will go through this lesson and then you will do your homework in your SW copies. And on every Sunday you can submit your homework within 8 AM to 4 PM. And it's very important because your SBA and city marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. So keep practicing at home and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.